So open source models provide a lot of benefits, but also comes with some implications. So one open source benefit is its cost. It's much cheaper than closed source or proprietary models. It also allows for transparency and allows for people to essentially stress test how these models were built, how to fine tune them themselves, as well as then as a community sharing how to make them more responsible, how to provide security, safety, or other protocols built on top of these open source models. So there's a lot of benefits from a cost perspective, at least initially, from a responsibility and transparency perspective, but also accessibility and being able for more people to access this advanced technology, given that there might be costlier alternatives. But the challenges of that are also the upfront costs may be lower, but the longer term ones can actually be higher than proprietary models because they require advanced technical skills, maybe greater maintenance of systems, as well as integration into legacy systems. So there's definitely a longer cost and maintenance applied to open source. It also means that open source can be used for nefarious purposes, not just beneficial purposes. So the fact that it's open and accessible to many people also means it's accessible to nefarious actors. So we have to be conscious of that as well. So as we think about those pros and cons, we have to think about the trade-off. But that trade-off is also on the same side of closed systems, that although these are costly upfront, they may be cheaper over time because you don't need the same advanced skills, infrastructure, or maintenance that you would if you're building it all on top of an open source system. But closed systems also require maybe some information sharing, depending on the privacy and security protocols, back to the originating company. So we have to think about those trade offs as well. Overall, I generally recommend a hybrid approach, which is being able to access open source technologies, get the benefit of that accessibility, the knowledge of the community, but then being able to fine tune and use specific customized versions, maybe of specialized systems as well. So it's not either or, it should be a consideration by a business of what's right for their business goals, what's right by their principles and their infrastructure, as well as their costs and resourcing.